So here we have the Weber Go Anywhere grill, and we have the little chimney, the shorter stack chimney. It's not a really big one. We have it packed with some charcoal, and then we have the little fire lighter cubes. So I'm going to go ahead and light those up and get this thing to work right. Okay, so I got those now smoking and lighting. Now what I want to do, put that torch down. What I want to do is put the chimney right down over the top, and that will start to light those cubes down underneath. And we'll leave it like this until those briquettes become ashen on the top. The other thing I want to do is make sure that these vents on the side are fully open. Yes, they are. You can see, I can see all the way across. So they are open. So we're just moments away now from being able to do the zone cooking with these coals. They are getting, excuse me, they're getting ashed over pretty nicely. And when the time comes, in just a few seconds, I will dump the coals out into what's known as zone cooking. So I will go on one side of the grill so that we'll sear the meat on the fire side, but then we'll have this side with no fire where we'll cook the burgers off, or what is known as indirect heat, for the rest of the time. So we'll sear each side of the burger, 2 minutes per side, 3 minutes per side, and then over onto the indirect heat to get them to the desired well done or medium well or whatever that we're looking for. So now the coals are on one half the grill. That's the direct heat side. This will be the indirect side. Now I'm going to put the grate on the top so that we can get ready to place the burgers right on it. We're going to go 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to go 2 to 3 minutes per side here to get them seared. Get the nice stripes on them, and then we'll move them over to the indirect. We'll flip them over another 2 to 3, and then over to the indirect side. And once again, I just want to mention that to know when the right time to flip them is if they don't want to release from the grill, then it is not ready to flip. The meat hasn't seared sufficiently to release from the grate. So you want that to happen naturally and not try to force it. Once it lifts itself, then it's the perfect time to go ahead and do the flip. So as you can see, I got them nice and seared, and I've done the first flip. They're now searing on the bottom side, and when that sear is over, then I'll move them over into the indirect heat.